Welcome to STAB Exam Forum. This is a continuation series for the previous year questions. This is a part 2 of the General Science. This video is beneficial for the candidates who are preparing for DRDO Septem, STAB, Technician and Admin Assistant cadre. Okay. So first of all, I would like to give a disclaimer that all these questions which we are going to discuss are memory based. Okay, memory based means we have collected from the various sources and from the students feedback, and all these questions were based on the exam which was held on 15 to 18 December 2018, right? So coming to first question, which of the following is not a noble gas? Okay, which of the following is not a noble gas? These are the four options. Yes, student? Yes, you are right. The correct answer is hydrogen. Hydrogen is not a noble gas, students. Option B, helium, neon, argon, all these are noble gas, right? Yes, the correct answer is hydrogen. Coming to the next question, action and reaction act on what? Okay, action and reactions act on the same body in opposite direction, or it act in different body in opposite direction, different body but in same direction, and option D is same body in same direction. So basically this rule is from Newton's third law. Okay, what is Newton's third law? To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So that action and reaction takes place on different body, and those action and reaction must be in opposite direction. So student, option B is the right answer. Okay, different body in opposite direction, right? Coming to the next question, yes student, anybody can tell this answer? The first jet engine to be designed entirely in India is named on which river? This is most important question. Okay, the jet engine which was designed entirely in India was made by DRDO, and it is named on which river? Yes, Kaveri is the right answer. So that engine is named as a Kaveri engine. Okay. Coming to the next question, work done is said to be 0. Okay, work done is said to be 0 when? These are the four options. Yes students, everything all right? Yes, tell me the answer. Option B. Okay, some are saying option A. Yes, both options are correct. So the correct option is option C, either A or B. Work done is said to be 0 when some force is acting on body but displacement is 0. Work is said to be done only if displacement is there. Okay, if there is no displacement, no work is done. And if no force is acting on the body and displacement take place, then also work done is 0. So the correct option is option C, either A or B. Coming to the next question, this is very simple one. What is the structure of human body called? Okay, is it skeleton, bone, body, and option D, none. Yes, you are right. Skeleton is called the structure of the human body. Okay. This is also very simple one. The litmus paper is obtained from dash plant. The options are moss, lichens, rose, hibiscus. This is an important question for this series. Yes, you are right. Lichens is a correct answer. It is a purple plant from which litmus is obtained. Okay. Coming to the next question, this is again very important questions. Hypermetropia or long sightedness can be corrected by using which lens? Okay, first of all you should know what is hypermetropia or long sightedness. In hypermetropia, the people won't able to see the nearby things, okay, but he can see the distance thing, okay, and this can be corrected with the convex lens. You are right, this can be corrected with convex lens. But if I ask you, how will you correct the people suffering from myopia, that is short sightedness, okay, yes, in that case concave lens will be useful for those people, okay. Coming to the next question, the color of magnesium oxide, okay, the color of magnesium oxide. This is a static knowledge. The correct answer is option A, white. So the white is the correct answer. The color of magnesium oxide is white. This is very important question, students. The structure of diamond is what? It is a linear structure or tetrahedral or octahedral or hexagonal, okay. Yes, anybody? Hexagonal? No, you are wrong. The correct option is option B, tetrahedral, right. Coming to the next question, we all know the G value, that is 9.8 meter per second square. This value of G was experimentally determined by which scientist? Okay, these are the four options. Yes, students. Yes, you are right. Option C, Cavendish. Cavendish was the first person to experimentally determine the value of G. Okay, so the correct answer is Cavendish. This is very interesting question. A metal which melts on palm, or in other words you can say which melt on taking in hand, what is the name of that metal? Potassium, sodium, zinc and gallium. So this you can easily just see the option, you can easily understand what will be the answer. Potassium and sodium you cannot take it in hand, right, because it reacts with the oxygen and just burn out. Zinc is a solid substance, so it generally won't melt. So the correct option is option D, gallium, right. Coming to the next question, which one among the following doesn't have any effect on the velocity of sound? This is also very good question. People generally say that temperature does not have effect on velocity. Yes, student, temperature have effect on velocity. If you see that half rho v square, okay, that atmosphere, it depends upon density, and density in turn depend upon temperature and pressure. So the correct option is option C, humidity. So humidity have no that velocity of sound, that humidity does not have any effect, right. So in which of the following materials sound of the speed of the sound is highest? Okay, there are the four options. You have to tell in which of these four options the sound of the speed is highest. Okay, yes, the solid thing, the solid material, solid substance will have the highest speed in the materials. Okay, so here option D is the correct, because vacuum sound doesn't travel, hydrogen is a gaseous form and glycerin is a liquid form. So correct option is option D, iron. So in this question, in electric circuit, power is inversely proportional to. This is a very tricky one, and generally people do the wrong thing, and this question is actually not appropriate to answer this question. Okay, so the correct answer is resistance. Okay, if voltage is constant, then power is inversely proportional to the resistance. Okay. Coming to the next question, which among the following is not a renewable source of energy? Yes, students. Yes, wind is a renewable source of energy, solar is also a renewable source of energy, and we know thermal is also renewable source of energy. Only biogas, because you cannot renew it after some time. Okay, so this biogas is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, what does the forefinger represent in Fleming left hand rule? You must have read this in your 10th and 11th class, that there is a Fleming left hand rule to determine current, magnetic field. Okay, so you can easily reject option C and D. Okay, so there are two options which you have to decide whether it is a magnetic field or current. For left hand rule, forefinger always represent the magnetic field. Okay, and the middle finger represent the current, right? Coming to the next question, a dentist mirror is a convex mirror. Is it a cylindrical mirror, plane mirror, or concave mirror? Student, the correct answer is option D, concave mirror. So concave mirror is used in the dentist mirror. Okay. So coming to the next question, the light of sun takes how much time to reach to the earth? This is very important questions. Yes, student, tell me the answer quickly. Yes, the correct answer is option B, 8 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, sunlight to reach earth is 8 minutes 20 seconds, right? Coming to the next question, in a common dry cell, electrolyte is what? These are the four options. Yes, the common dry cell which you use everywhere, the electrolyte is what? Yes, students. Yes, the correct answer is option C, ammonium chloride. Okay, ammonium chloride is the right answer for that. Coming to the next question, name a metal among the following which has highest heat conductivity. Okay, highest heat conductivity means which is able to conduce heat maximum. Okay, yes, all these are metals, they can conduct heat, but the highest one is the silver. Okay, silver is a metal which conduct heat at maximum. Okay, now which of the following is best conductor of electricity? Again, all these are the metals, you have to choose the best conductor. Again, the correct answer is option C, silver. Silver is the best conductor of electricity also. Okay, never forget, students. Okay, just note down. Okay, coming to the next, which of the given material has highest resistivity? Okay, resistivity. Yes, the nichrome is the correct answer, which is the highest resistivity. All these questions are basically your static knowledge, right? Again, this is the electrical resistivity. For this question, electrical resistivity, on the given option, ebonite is the correct answer. Okay, electrical resistivity is maximum for ebonite. Okay, this is recent news questions. What is Sagittarius A? Okay, options are black hole, zodiac sign, group of star, and none of these. And most of the students which answer this question was wrong. They did zodiac sign, but it is not a zodiac sign, it is a black hole. Okay, they have recently found that it is a black hole. 1 horsepower is equal to how many watt? This is very general question, and the correct answer is right, it is 746 watt. Okay, coming to the next question, it is related to DRDO missile. third generation anti-tank missile. Okay, Prithvi is not an anti-tank missile. It is surface to surface missile. Akash is surface to air missile. Trishul is again surface to surface missile. So we are left with option D, Nag. Nag is third generation anti-tank missile. Okay. Coming to the next question, change in the velocity of an object per unit time. That is, velocity upon time is what? This is very simple one. Yes, you are right. The correct answer is option D, acceleration. Okay. This is related to botany. Dead, long and narrow cell in a plant belong to which tissue? Yes, this is very difficult one. Okay, you can ignore such type of questions because yes, you are correct. The answer is sclerenchyma. Okay. Coming to the next question, this is very important. Underline it. Okay. Work done is always positive, is always negative, can be positive, negative and zero, and can never be zero. Students, always remember work done can be positive, negative and zero. Okay, positive you are moving forward, negative if there is a friction, zero if there is no movement. Okay, it basically depend upon your angle on which your force is acting, right? Coming to the next question, this is from chemistry. Identify the group which is not a Debonair triad. Okay, what is this Debonair triad? Yes, the atomic mass of lithium and atomic mass of potassium. This middle one will have the average of these two atomic masses. Okay, so they are asking which of the following is not in the triad. Okay, so this is in Debonair triad, this is also in triad, this is also in triad, but option B, beryllium, magnesium and the Cr, they are not in the triad. Okay, coming to the next question, the total number of groups in modern periodic table. This is very important question. Groups and periods. Student, there are 18 groups and 7 periods. Okay, remember there are 7 periods, 18 groups in the modern periodic table. Okay, that horizontal columns are groups and these rows are called periods. So there are 7 periods and 18 groups. Coming to the next question, the resistivity of the wire depend upon length, area of cross section, material and all of the above. This is very simple one. This resistivity of wire generally depend on all these three options. So the correct option is option D. It should be option D. Wait a minute. Yeah, they are asking for the resistivity. So resistivity only depend upon material. Okay, it does not depend upon the length. Okay, the correct answer is option C, material. Now coming to the next question, which of the following are not electromagnetic waves? Okay, gamma ray, X-ray, beta ray, cosmic ray. Yes, you are right. Correct answer is beta ray. Beta ray are not electromagnetic wave. Okay, beta rays are not electromagnetic rays. Okay, so gamma rays, X-ray and cosmic ray, all these are electromagnetic waves. Okay, coming to the next question, again this is similar but options are different. Here alpha rays are not electromagnetic wave. Okay, in this question alpha rays are not electromagnetic ray. In the previous question, beta rays are not electromagnetic ray. Okay, which frequency correspond to ultrasonic waves? Okay, ultrasonic waves are the waves which are greater than 20,000 Hz. So the correct option is option B, 30,000 Hz. Okay, you can you also know that what is ultrasonic, which is above the human hearing range, and thus it is not audible to human. Okay, so the human ear can detect up to maximum of 20,000 hertz. Okay, so above that range is called ultrasonic frequency range, and that is above 2000. So here the correct option is option C, 30,000 hertz. What is the SI unit of G? G is a gravity of constant, and it is Newton meter square per kg square. It is option D. Okay, coming to the next question, the density of water is maximum at which temperature? This is static knowledge and most important. Yes, the right answer is option B, 4 degrees centigrade. Coming to the next question, 4 resistance of 16 ohm which are connected in parallel, what will be the total resistance? Okay, what will be the total resistance? These are the 4 options. You have to solve it, student. Yes, let us see the solution part. The correct answer is 4 ohm. So whenever the resultant resistance of parallel combination, it is always 1 by R. So there are 4 resistance of 16 ohm. So 1 by R, 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16, which comes to be 4 by 16, and which corresponds to 4, and ultimately resistance is 4 ohm, right? Okay, it is similar to the previous question, but here they are asking in series. Okay, so what will be the solution? There are, if there are 4 resistance which are connected in series, if you add all these resistance, that will be the total resistance of the circuit. So here the correct answer is option B, 16 ohms. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like it, you can hit a subscribe button, and if you want more video, let us have some comments on the comment section. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.